I got up very early this morning, around 4:30, and drove from down to Dumaguete to see what happens here at the boulevard before sunrise. It's still dark. The beautiful streetlights are still on, and a few hobby fishermen are trying their luck. Most people are walking or jogging all the way to the Banica River, where the fishermen normally access the sea, although none are returning at this hour. Leftovers from last night's gathering of the local residents from Barangay 1 are still lying around.
Buntag. Buntag. Ayun, buntag.
Buntag. Good morning.
Morning, morning. Buntag.
The first rays of the sun are painting the sky as I look over the boulevard. Fishermen's boats rest quietly in the foreground, while a long row of streetlights still glows softly along the path. In the distance, a ship lies at anchor beneath dark clouds, a strange yellow light hovering above. Mount Talinis rises gently behind the houses as a woman walks her dog, and tiny waves kiss the boulevard wall, catching their light. The city is slowly waking, one quiet moment at a time. Between two park benches, a man stretches and exercises alone. In this park-like section of the boulevard,
Buntag.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
I come across the newly unveiled statue of Dr. Jose Rizal. Nearby, two women follow their own Zumba routine to music from a small portable speaker. Continuing along,
Ayun, buntag.
I reach a replica of the sailing ship Victoria, offering visitors a beautiful view of the slowly waking harbor.
Suéltame, suéltame ahora, baby, suéltame, suéltame ahora, baby, déjame, suéltame ahora, libre, situación, cabrón. Suéltame para siempre, no mires atrás. Las cosas cambiaron, la situación, cabrón. Suéltame para siempre, no mires atrás, Cuando me dejan un mensaje de la drama, cuando peleamos a las 2 de la mañana, tú no vale la pena nunca volver a mi cama. Cuando pones mi canción favorita y me embele con tu juego de cuerpito, it's a trap, I know, tryna reel me back, cause you never let go. I know, you never let go. I know.
While some continue their Zumba routines, the harbor slowly awakens. The quiet morning is interrupted by the gentle hum of activity as the Fastjet ferry from Dapitan, Mindanao, approaches the port of Dumaguete. The sun breaks through the clouds, casting a golden light over the boulevard. A lone fisherman stands as a silhouette on the seawall, while the streetlights have quietly faded away. While the fisherman tries his luck, a few women move to their own rhythm during morning exercise. Nearby, a small dog strolls along the boulevard, looking perfectly groomed for the early morning walk. From the harbor, I continue along the newly renovated section of the boulevard. This part is now open to the public again, shaded by old trees that form a natural barrier between the sidewalk and the road. In the soft morning light, joggers and walkers pass by, their footsteps blending with the sounds of the awakening city. From a ground-level view, you can really feel the calm rhythm of this place, a gentle mix of movement and early morning quiet. Across the street, the first restaurants open their verandas. Old villas from the sugar baron era line this area, many of them restored and converted into restaurants and hotels. They lend the boulevard a unique, historic charm. A man in a hand-powered wheelchair passes by, greeting me with a smile. With the way he turns that crank, he must have an arm as strong as a sailor. A woman sweeps the boulevard with a straw broom, tidying the path as the city slowly wakes. Her steps lead toward the newly installed signage, which has stirred some debate among the locals, as many had grown attached to the old one. Even so, the morning carries on. I turn around and begin my walk back along the street side of the boulevard, moving in the shade of the old trees, not before taking one last look at the historic Silliman Hall. Outside at the tables of Why Not, a shop and restaurant for European specialties, the first expats are already enjoying their breakfast, starting the day in the soft morning light. Beneath the old, sprawling trees, the boulevard comes alive in small, quiet ways. I spot two women, each tending to their own flock of pigeons, scattering crumbs and watching the birds flutter and around them.
Good. Wow. Wow.
Hello.
Nearby, a few early tourists giggle as they pose with the pigeons, taking turns photographing one another, capturing these fleeting, playful moments. The soft morning light filters through the branches, highlighting the simple charm of life slowly waking along this historic stretch of the boulevard. Near the parking area, the morning comes alive with two coconut vendors offering young coconuts as refreshing drinks. Both arrived with a multi-cap full of coconuts.
Welcome to the Boko Juice. Boko Juice is good for healthy.
Ready to be opened with a bolo of the machete, the all-purpose tool of the Filipino farmer. One vendor, with chairs and tables set up, already has customers enjoying their drinks, chatting and laughing in the soft morning light. The other stands nearby, waiting patiently for the first visitors to arrive.
Thanks for joining me on this early morning walk along Dumaguete Boulevard. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time for another adventure.
Sir Nel! Sir! Matana ang tago, sir?
Yes, sir.
Pilay, violation na ito, Juan. Nang counterflow.
Ano, wala kang ticket ka?
Ticket.